Militer Rusia merilis informasi jumlah tentara bayaran asing yang ikut membantu Ukraina melawan Rusia. Pernyataan kosong baru-baru ini tentang hampir 20.000 orang asing yang berperang melawan angkatan bersenjata Rusia hanyalah kebohongan belaka, kata juru bicara militer Rusia Igor Konasenkov dalam pernyataan resminya Jumat tanggal 17 Juni tahun 2022. Seperti yang telah kami catat, Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia memantau dan mencatat kehadiran di Ukraina setiap perwakilan dari pertemuan internasional. Kami akan mempublikasikan statistik. Misalnya, di antara negara-negara Eropa, Polandia tak terbantahkan dalam hal jumlah tentara bayaran yang tiba dan sekarat. Sejak awal operasi militer khusus, 1.831 orang tiba di Ukraina, 378 diantaranya terbunuh dan 272 tentara bayaran pulang kembali. Diikuti Rumania dengan 504 kedatangan, 102 kematian dan 98 keberangkatan. Inggris berada di tempat ketiga, 422 kedatangan, 101 kematian, 95 keberangkatan. Di antara Amerika, Kanada memimpin 601 kedatangan, 162 kematian, 169 keberangkatan. Amerika Serikat berada di urutan kedua, 530 kedatangan, 214 kematian, 227 keberangkatan. Dari Timur Tengah, Transkaukasus dan Asia jumlah terbesar, 355 tentara bayaran, datang dari Georgia, 120 diantaranya meninggal dan 90 meninggalkan Ukraina. Kemudian ada 200 pejuang teroris yang dikerahkan kembali dari wilayah yang dikuasai AS di wilayah Jazirah di Suriah. Sampai saat ini, 80 telah dieliminasi dan 66 telah meninggalkan Ukraina. Secara total, daftar kami pada tanggal 17 Juni tahun 2022, termasuk tentara bayaran dan spesialis operasi senjata dari 64 negara. Sejak awal operasi militer khusus, 6.956 orang telah tiba di Ukraina, 1.956 telah dihilangkan dan 1.779 telah pergi. Total 3.321 tentara bayaran masih hidup, belum ditangkap, atau belum melarikan diri ke perbatasan Ukraina, kata Igor Konasenkov dikutip Tribun Timur hari ini.
Against the backdrop of Kiev regime's mounting military failures and massive daily losses in manpower and equipment, the flow of foreign mercenaries to Ukraine has not only decreased, but is actually turning in the opposite direction. Despite the Kiev regime's efforts and increased payments, the process of mercenaries leaving to the other world or back to their countries of residence has not been stopped by the Kiev leadership. Recent empty statements about almost 2,000 foreigners fighting against the Russian armed forces are just plain lies. As we have already noted, the Russian Defense Ministry monitors and records the presence in Ukraine of every representative of this international gathering of headless horsemen. Moreover, it's not only mercenaries directly involved in combat operations, as part of Ukrainian units that are now included in our databases. We also take into account the trainers who have come to train, assist in the operation and repair of Western weapons supplied to Ukraine. We will publish these statistics today. For example, among European countries, Poland is undisputed leader in terms of the number of mercenaries both arriving and dying. Since the beginning of the special military operation, 1,831 people have arrived in Ukraine, of whom 378 have already been killed, and 272 mercenaries have departed for their homelands. It's followed by Romania, with 504 arrivals, 102 deaths, and 98 departures. The UK is in the third place, 422 arrivals, 101 deaths, 95 departures. Among the Americas, Canada leads the way, 601 arrivals, 162 deaths, 169 departures. The USA comes second, 530 arrivals, 214 deaths, 227 departures. From the Middle East, Transcaucasus and Asia, the largest number, 355 mercenaries, came from Georgia, of whom 120 died and 90 left Ukraine. Then, there are 200 terrorist fighters redeployed from the US-controlled areas of Jazira region in Syria. To date, 80 have been eliminated and 66 have left Ukraine. In total, our lists, as on June 17, 2022, include mercenaries and weapons operating specialists from 64 countries. Since the beginning of the special military operation, 6,956 people have arrived in Ukraine, 1,956 have already been eliminated, and 1,779 have left. As long as 3,321 mercenaries are alive, not yet captured, or have not yet escaped to the Ukrainian border. Detailed information is published on the Russian Ministry of Defense Information Resources on the internet.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.